didn't expect that.
Delaware River smallmouth.
That's right.
See you, buddy. Hey. Looks like we're catching fish today.
Looks like we are. Come on, Mr. Smalley, a little bit better one.
Yeah, that's good.
It's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
All right, come on, bud.
14 incher there. Nice.
They're so crazy.
Yeah, they fight hard, huh?
Yeah, they sure do.
Nice. Haven't even moved the boat from the boat ramp.
I know.
Can't go wrong.
Gotta like it.
Do that kind of day.
Get a shot at the camera. Hey, we can take a picture if you want.
Thanks, fish. Here, I'll grab them.
Got him? Hey, let me snap a photo of you real quick. Perfect. Oh my gosh, we are just hammering fish.
Oh, that's a pretty good one.
Yeah, that's a good one too. Let me get the net here. All sorts of nice. Hey, all right.
Nice fish, Brian. That's a better one.
Well, 3 fish.
Not so bad without touching the oars.
Yeah, I know. I haven't even moved the boat.
So we're actually in Pennsylvania right now.
That's New York.
That's New York, and this is Pennsylvania.
Yep. So.
Oh, come on, bite it.
You caught one in New York, and I caught one in Pennsylvania.
I caught.
Fishing. That was pretty cool. 3 fish right off the bat.
Right off the ramp. We'll take it.
Here on this like right side and going down into these ripples, what I would do is, you know, aim near these rocks with the Senko, give it like 5 seconds. If a fish isn't on it in 5 seconds, reel it in and cast it again, because otherwise it's going to sink to the bottom and get stuck.
One little jumpy.
Just a cookie cutter.
Keep your tip low, it won't jump as much.
I know.
All right.
Come on, buddy.
You just lift him straight up and set him.
Oh, he's a little guy.
Yeah. They fight hard though, don't they?
They do. I catch largemouth that size, like, they do nothing. There's like a wet sock.
Yeah. They like hit hard, but then they just, bye-bye, buddy. Next one, I'll tell them, go get you a papa.
Yeah, right?
Daddy. I would argue with upstream and downstream of rocks, I would say you catch more fish on the downstream side, but you're going to catch a bigger fish on the upstream side.
The fish in the front?
Yeah. Well, that's a good one too.
Yeah. Come on, buddy.
Whacking them.
That is a good one.
Yeah.
It's really digging around.
A little bigger than those.
Yeah.
You almost had a double.
That would have been awesome.
I saw him hit. Nice fish.
Right.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a 14 incher.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. Excellent.
Good stuff.
Nice.
You want to get a shot?
Sure.
I'll send you, I got your cell number. So
Awesome.
Nice.
Oh, he's a stinker.
All right. Got it.
I'll let him go over here.
We are whacking them.
I know. You can just toss it and so you can rent his.
Yeah, just put them up.
Oh, did you just boat flip that?
No, I just lifted him up. Like you the other day, you lost a monster.
I know.
Somebody was trying to deny they were trying to boat flip.
Oh my gosh.
Little rock bass.
Red-eyed rock bass.
Yep. Little guy. They start pulling hard and then they just give up. Yep.
Look at him.
Hey, buddy. Yeah, right in that little corner is like 6 feet deep right there. Yeah, you might get one right in there. I don't know. It's like one of those.
How about that cast?
That's pretty good.
There you go. That's a pretty good fish. Huh. I didn't expect that.
Delaware River smallmouth.
That's right.
All right, see you, buddy. Well,
All right,
it's nice when they just
bite the thing.
Yeah.
All right, so the wacky rig
works.
Turns out to catch smallmouth just like it catches largemouth. Ooh, jumperoo.
All right. It was almost the second double.
Yeah.
This is the time of year for it. From now till September 15th is every cast.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
On a drift boat, I'm like, when you cover water.
Oh, he came off. Shoot.
Difference.
That was a better
Cover
fish.
So much water.
They like the oxygen this time of year, so it's. I mean, we were hammering them in pretty quiet water earlier, so they're kind of just. It's crazy to say, but they're all over. She's gone. Oh.
Oh.
You got the worm.
He took my worm.
You bring that in,
Sucker.
Try and,
Oh, at least he left me
try
the.
and keep that thing on.
Yeah, he left the O-ring.
Let's give him a set. There you go.
Oh.
It wasn't. It was a
Double.
set. Double.
Yep. I got a better fish.
Or is that a rock?
No,
No,
it's
you
a
got
fish.
Is it? Yeah, I got it.
It's a better one. Or I'm just fighting the current, but I think it's a good
yeah, there
fish.
you go.
We'll triple up. I'll get you another one.
Okay. He's really in there. Come on, buddy.
Yeah. Decent one. He's just fighting that current.
He's really
Hanging in the current.
love those orange worms.
Yep. Whoop.
Whoops. Nice. Excellent.
13-incher.
He's a strong fish.
Yep.
That was actually the strongest fighting one all day.
There he
They're
is.
pretty fish.
See you, buddy.
See you, bud. Boink. What is he?
The biggest
I've
minnow.
never seen him.
The biggest minnow in the world. It's the biggest minnow species there is.
Wow.
For trout, they love to eat your stuff.
He almost looks like a his scales almost look like a carp.
Yeah.
Ooh, he stinks.
Oversized minnow.
Christ, that
They
stinks.
stink.
Yeah. Ooh. That was a stanker. Ugh. Fall fish.
Yep. I can only say chub on a boat with 2 men in my boat like 5 times before I get like completely.
You are catching all of the fish. I gotta do what you're doing. Are you giving it a lot of action or just letting it drift?
A little bit. I let it get into a current that I like, and then I go and I pull across the current.
Oh,
I'd be
across the
shooting-
current.
I'd be shooting right behind that rock and pulling it through that little eddy.
Yeah.
Should be a fish there.
You would think.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh. There was.
There's a big one.
Yeah, there's a
right
big one.
behind
He's
it.
following.
Let it swim down.
All right.
Just like.
Yeah, honey. Get
Flip
right
it in. Just
Right,
flip
right,
it in right
flip
here.
it in. Flip it in. Flip it in.
Nice. That's perfect. That's perfect. So you
Okay.
can
He's gonna come. I'll stay in here. He's looking. He's looking. He's looking. He's looking.
set the hook.
Set the hook.
I
honey.
think. I don't know. Oh no, he's not. Oh,
Okay.
that's, he's still there. You flip it back up. That other one's still there. That other one doesn't look super interested, but
He's interested in this guy's stuff.
yeah,
Right?
nice
He's
fish.
telling him, I told you not to take that. That's a nice one.
Cool. Yeah,
That's my biggest one
you
of the
got
day.
today. Yeah.
Nice. That's a beauty. That's a beauty.
14. Just barely. Yeah.
Yeah.
14. Quick shot. She's got the thing running, so nice.
Nice.
See you, buddy. Oh, you got him.
I got him.
She got the big one, maybe. She got the bigger one. I hope so. Oh!
Whoa.
Oh, and you weren't even. Or you were, but
Yeah. It's
that was
recording.
cool.
That's a great shot.
It was
That's too funny.
nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's about. Yeah, they were just
About the same, yeah.
Stop it.
You ever get a whitefish in the boat? Up out west?
Yeah.
That's been disgusting.
Yeah, they just poop everywhere. My buddy was brewing beer. Actually, he lived with people who now own that rafting company I was talking about. And he used to call rock bass.
Ah,
That's a nice little fish.
Yeah, he's a fat one. That would make a good fillet.
is he squeaking?
jig's only caught 15 fish. Now it's starting to die. Whacking them today.
I know. Got a good guide.
Some young eagles screaming over there.
Yep.
That's a cool little rock formation.
Yeah, River did that years and years ago. Right.
It is wild.
Grand Canyon of the Delaware.
Yeah.
Sit the hook, fish. Jumper. Gotcha.
Oh, we're doubled up. Come on, buddy. Wow, he's. That's a pretty good fish. Oh!
Over there. You good in the back?
Yeah, we're good.
That's a pretty good one. That's a pretty nice one.
Got him.
Yeah.
Nice.
Come on, buddy. Where'd you go? There you are. Little guy.
Oh, it's a sunny.
Oh, it's a Sunny. A big Sunny. Gee. See ya, Sunny.
Sunny boy.
I did not expect that. That was such a great spot. I was all gratified that there was a fish there, and then it turns out to be a Sunny.
Yeah. Little mini rapid here, number 9 Railroad Bridge.
This is cool. Oh, you got a fish? Yeah.
Nice. There we go.
Did I snag him?
No, he's in the mouth.
He's hungry. Got a caddis casing too.
Yeah. Was that fun?
Yeah.
We floated the lovely Delaware River today. I got all the fish.
Don't leave me.
You got all the fish.
All right.
Got a million smallmouth. Probably we put in over 50 in the boat today, easy. Nothing monstrous, but fishing was good. And drift is a nice way to fish, even when there are no fish cooperating with us. It is. It's a relaxing.
It is. And this is our drift boat, a Clacka Craft. These are the de facto boats that are popular here on the Delaware River, which, as you can see, is right here. A beautiful river. It's a mix of big, wide open, slow flats like this, and then some more rapid sections. Sweetwater Guide Service. We had a great trip.
And we had a great guide. His name is Evan, and I'm actually going to put the contact information for Sweetwater Guide Service down in the description so that if you're in the Pennsylvania or New York area and you'd like to fish the Delaware River, you can contact them yourself.
Nice way to fish.